Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this session, it's going to be a bit different compared to my usual planned content. So I have been away for a while and during that time, I just noticed few things. It's actually an interesting things or comments and questions from our subscriber. So I could have just replied to it, but before I hit send, I thought, wait a minute, let's just give a thought process over here. Instead of replying to it, why not I just make a video of it? In the reason behind would be is that if I replied, it would only be beneficial for one particular person or those people who actually scroll through the comments, right? But if I make a video of it, it would actually reach us in a global way or globally and actually helps a lot for people who's actually out there and is uh, facing similar issues or looking for some kind of a solution for it. So, considering all these things, I thought, yeah, let's make a video out of all the comments, questions that I was getting. And the first one that I picked is which was on the top of my comments, which I haven't answered yet. So, this is the question. Hi, how to remove duplicate numbers in a string? They have given an example. Input is a variable and value the input variable contains is 312 213. There are two questions. One is how to remove the duplicates and second is the how to make it in a descending order. It's actually quite interesting question actually, and the solution is technically it's only one line of a coding that you need to do in UiPath. But I'm not just gonna give you the code right away. You may have to bear with me until the end. Only reason is that, my thought process or understanding is that if I just give you the code right away, it would basically you just copy and paste it in your code. I mean, it's good. It's okay to do that, but what you're gonna face in the future is that you keep coming back to this video and going into these data or information. Basically copy again and paste it, but you won't gain much from it. Just to be frank over there, you would have to understand theory behind it, or say not even theory. It you won't be talking about entire theory, but you need to understand understanding of each of the part of the code, right? So if you understand that, you don't even have to come back to this video again. You just can manually, I mean, you just can go back and whenever they ask, whoever asks you, you can just type the uh, solution on the fly. So now let's get into the UiPath Studio and let's start coding. But before doing that, I'll just take 1 minute from your end, not even 1 minute, maybe max 30 seconds. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it. Your help means a lot. Your support means a lot for me. And while you are at it, please do like, subscribe, and share. That way, what happens, it reaches maximum people and it can help them as well. Now, coming back into our solution for the use case, removing the duplicates from a string and sorting them, or not sorting, yeah, or, in a or descending order. Open your UiPath Studio. Okay, I have opened my community edition. Now, I'm just gonna create a variable because that's what the input that we have, right? So input they have already given, which is input uh, 312213. This is my input data. I'm just gonna zoom in. Is it possible to zoom in? Oh, it's already 100%. Got it. It's okay. No worries. Now let's create variable called results just to store my output information. I have input, I have created output. Now let's do one more assign. Let's place our results into assign left side. Let's zoom in. Yeah, I can zoom here. That's good. Now I have zoomed in because it would be clear for you. I mean, you can clearly see the screen. Now we have input. I'm just going to type input. Now what they have asked is to delete the duplicates. Now to do that, like I mentioned, I'm just going to click on backspace and move this down. Our input is the string format, right? 312 213. Now, to perform a deletion of any characters from my from a string or string variable, you always have to convert them into a array of character. Now, to achieve that, you have one function called to-char array. What this basically does, let me open Notepad. I'm just going to type my input. This is my input. Now, when you perform, uh, let's me do one. Let me take this to middle. When you perform dot to-char array, yeah, array, the result should be open that 3, comma 2, comma 1, comma 2, again, comma 1, and then 3. What just happened? It did your entire, it basically converted your string into array, but not only did that, it just splitted your each of the character in the array. Basically, this is zeroth element, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, right? It's only one keyword. Now, that's what it does. It converts your string to array of character. Now we are done with that. But we haven't even came to a close to, or we haven't even solved a issue, which is first issue or first question, which is to delete the duplicate. To do that, it's very simple again. Just do dot and search for dusting. Now, what this does is that it will eliminate your duplicates and keep only unique entries in your array. So I have done it, but if you closely observe over here, it says there is an issue because you cannot convert enumerable of character to string. Exactly, because our result is a string variable. Now, how to do this? How to fix this? It's again very, very easy to do it. Just type string because you want the end result as string and then do concat. We all know in our coding language what is the basic use of or the concat does. It just combines everything into one. So that's what it is going to do. Now let's do the right line and print the result. Let's see what the result that we get. Did we solve our first part of the question? That's right, we did. So basically, we have removed the duplicates. You see, we just have 312. We don't have 213 again. Now we are done with the first part of the question. The second part of the question is that we need to sort them, right, in a descending order. To do that, again, one keyword, order by descending. It's not stopped yet. You need to write the function as well. Function, let's say row and row. Okay, done. Now you're done. Now I'm just gonna show you. This is what we have done so far. String concat basically combines everything into one string. Input is our input data. To-char is nothing but it converts your string into a array of character. Distinct removes your duplicate entries from your array of character. Order by descending, it will order them in a descending order. Now let's run and see. We should be expecting to see 3, 2, 1, not 3, 1, 2. That's exactly what we are seeing right now. So now the solution is very simple. I'm just going to keep the screen and you can pause it if you are writing in your or typing in your laptop or anywhere. Just pause this and take a note of this. So that's how you convert your input string into a array of character, then eliminate your duplicate entries and order them as per your requirement. So that's how the solution looks like. Now, that's it for today. I hope this is helpful. And if anyone is facing similar issue, write your thought process below in the comment. And if anyone having different kind of scenarios or anything, don't forget, I mean, you can just write in comments in any of my channel. I'll surely take a look into it. It may get delayed, but definitely I'll take a look into your comments. That's it for today. And stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to hit that like, share button, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.